Imagine waking up to your first online sales from a digital product you created. It sounds exciting, right? But maybe you're still a little doubtful because nothing you've made so far has sold. The truth is, there's one crucial step most beginners skip before they even start creating their product, and that's exactly why they struggle to make sales. Once you fix this, it opens the door to real passive income, just like it has for so many successful store owners. In today's video, I'll guide you through what to do before creating your first product, how to use the best AI tool to generate high quality designs, and how to make them print ready using print on demand for smooth store setup. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before you open up any AI tool or design software, the first and most important step is understanding what actually sells. And this is where so many beginners get it wrong. They dive straight into creating without checking if there's any demand for their product idea. Here's the truth. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, just study what's already working. Start by heading to Etsy, Creative Market, or even Pinterest and type in general terms like printable wall art or watercolor clip art. Scroll through the results and look for products with lots of reviews and best-selling tags. These are indicators that the product is already validated by the market. Now open up a few of these listings and take note on the design style. Is it minimalist, vintage, watercolor, and the price range? To make this process faster, I use an external analysis tool like Alura, where I can easily use the keyword research tool to dive deep into the insight of a particular keyword. For example, I had an idea of creating a Picasso inspired wall art design, and with Alura, I could quickly see the competition level and the product performance related to this search term. Alura showed that this type of product had 19 monthly sales and had generated $7,000 in total revenue, giving me the assurance that a product like this has a potential to make a profit if I start selling today. And according to Etsy, the product has a good numbers of reviews. By sorting the reviews from lowest to highest, I could also see what people were complaining about the product, so I'll know what to avoid while crafting my own designs. Now you realize you're not creating a random design anymore. You have a clear direction based on real data. Once you've done this research and identify a winning niche, that's when you decide on the format you want to sell. The first option is digital products, which are often sold as PDF files. Once created and listed, a digital product can be sold an unlimited numbers of time. However, the downside is that digital product typically has lower price point, which can reduce your profit margin. On the other hand, selling physical products allow you to set higher prices based on the product value, giving you a larger profit margin. The challenge with physical products is managing inventory, which can be costly and complicated. But with the help of print-on-demand platforms, selling physical products has never been easier. With their varieties of white label products, you can simply pick one, paste your design on it, and just like that, it's print ready and ready to ship to your customers worldwide. Platforms like Printify, Gelato can take care of all of this for you. After deciding what to sell, the next step is choosing where to sell. Selling on platforms like Etsy or other marketplaces is great. They already have built-in traffic. All you need to do is to create your product and upload it, and the platform does most of the marketing for you. But these platforms also comes with competition next to your listings, which can easily steal your customers. Plus, there are platform policy changes that might affect your store in the future. The alternative is to start your own store where you don't have to compete with anyone else's listings. You won't be affected by the policy changes, and everything is under your control. The only downside is that you need to drive your own traffic. Later in the video, I'll give you a tip to help you with that. Now that I have gotten your attention about starting your own store, the first thing to do is to get your own domain name. This will be the name of your website. For example, since I'm interested in selling a wall art design, I named my store Ink and Aura. But if you don't know what to call your store, you can simply ask ChatGPT to help you brainstorm. Since my website is a store, I wanted a domain name that immediately tells my visitors what it's about. That's why I prefer the .store extension. And did you know websites with a .store domain get 87% more traffic and rank 2 times higher on Google? It's no coincidence when customers see your website with .store, they instantly recognize it as an online store, making it easier to drive sales. .store is specifically designed for sellers, making it the ideal domain for anyone looking to sell online. It's no wonder that big names like Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, Emirates Airline, and over 1.5 million sellers trust .store domain for their businesses. Now let's head over to .store website. to check if our desired domain is available. And as you can see, the domain name is available for purchase, but it comes at a cost of $29. However, there's a way to get it for a lower price. Simply click add to cart and proceed to checkout. Then use the coupon code Endatah, which I will provide in the description, to secure the domain for just 99 cents. And keep in mind that if you choose to enable privacy protection, the price will increase. But without it, you still get a domain name at a low price for 1 year. But that's not all. Choosing a .store domain comes with more than just a great name. It unlocks free access to the Plus version of Elevate.store. This isn't just another discount site. This is a curated toolkit designed specifically for online sellers. Elevate.store offers exclusive deals on essential tools to help you launch and scale your business. We are talking about popular platforms like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, and many more, all in one place, completely free when you choose .store. Once your domain name is set up, it's time to build your website and create your store online. But first, let's create your first product. There are plenty of AI platforms out there that delivers impressive results. While Midjourney is one of the most popular image generation AIs, I found 3 free alternatives that also delivers amazing results: Hero AI, Ideogram, and AI Ease. I used the same simple prompt in all 3 platforms, and here are the results I got. These were not the only prompts I tested. I experimented with other prompts too, and they helped me to generate even better results. And because of that, I've crafted 100 prompts that can give you this type of result. The link to that will be in the description. And a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Once you're done exporting your design, upscale it to avoid pixelation. Platforms like Let's Enhance allow you to upscale up to 16K resolution. Once you're done, move your design to a print-on-demand platform. For example, I'll be using Printify. Once you're in, make sure your store is connected. To do this, go to Add Store and select the platform you created your store with. For example, I use Squarespace. By selecting Squarespace, clicking Allowed, and naming my store was successfully connected and ready to start selling. Now go to the catalog section and select the product you want to add. Click Start Designing, upload your design, and scale it to fit the frame. Once you're done, click Save, and Printify will automatically provide the basic product information. And to make your listing even better, use Printify AI tool. It does provide a brief product description and it will generate a title, description, and tag, saving you time and effort. Once everything is set, click Publish to finalize it, and this is how it will look on your store. Now, to drive free organic traffic to your store, I highly recommend using Pinterest. Most users on these platforms are more likely to click on pins that lead to website or a store. And if you're willing to invest some money, consider running social media ads to boost your reach even further. Finally, I hope this video has inspired you to create a product that has the potential to sell. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to put in the effort and dedication to succeed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.